this video, I am going to talk about overlap selects, how overlap selects, how overlap what options are applicable on overlap selections, and this video is about this. So first, I am going to open a new image. I'm not opening any page. That's why I'm not pressing the new option. I'm going to press the open option because I'm actually creating an image file into the Photoshop. I'm not opening. I'm not creating any page or clipboard. And I am actually bringing an existing file into the Photoshop. That's why I'm using. That's why I'm pressing this open option. So I'm going to press the open option and I'm going to choose this image because I'm going to insert this image into my Photoshop, and this image will then be opened as a project. Okay, now look. If you perform changes onto this image, these changes will be applied on the original image. So then this change, if you perform changes onto this image and then save the image, then this image will contain the original image will contain that six that changes. So what you have to do, you have to first create duplicate this image and then delete the original image so that no changes is done to the original image. It is always done in Photoshop for keeping the original file safe. Okay. Now see this image I am going to. No, I don't think of Fourier. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to perform multiple selections that will overlap each other onto this image. So first, this is a normal selection. You see, this is a normal selection. So if I select this part and then if I try to select another part, that selected part will disappear. So this is just a normal selection. You can, by this mode, you can only make one selection. I'm going to select this part and I'm going to copy this part. Copy the selected part. So I'm going to select. Now I will have to copy the selected part. Now I'm going to copy this selected part. So the selected part is copied. Now I'm going to paste this selected part here. So as you can see now that this selected part has been pasted onto this clipboard. So I'm just going to put it here. Now the second select option is this one. What this one does is that this selection is similar to union set. So I just gonna select this selection and press the Control D, you select the selection. Okay, now I have chosen this one. Now I'll be able to make multiple selections, and if any selection overlap with another selection, then this two selection if the two selection will become united with each other. So I selected this selection and now I selected this selection. You see these two selections have been united with each other. So I'm going to now copy this selection I'm going to paste this copied selection here. Okay. So you see how this this method functions, how this section method functions. Okay. So I'm going to use the move tool for moving this image, and I'm just going to cover the first selection image by this second selection image. Okay. Now let me. I'm going to explain the third selection image. Third selection. Before explaining the third, I forgot how this selection works. I'm now going to talk about this fourth selection mode. So I'm going to deselect this selection. Okay. Okay. What does this fourth selection option does? What does this fourth selection mode does? It actually performs intersection sets one. So what is an intersection set? Imagine an intersection set contains common elements of two sets. So if an intersection set of two sets contain the elements that are present in both sets. Intersection set of three sets means contains elements that are present in all three sets. So how does this selection method works? I'm going to create two selections, and the overlap part will be the part that is present in both selections. So the overlap part is this part. Okay? So the two selections that I have made contain this area in both of them. This is why this area has now become selected. So this function is done if the mode the selection mode is this mode. I'm going to copy this selection mode and see. I'm going to copy this selection image part has been copied. Now I'm going to paste this selection image part. Now I'm going to now paste this selection image part here. So I'm going to press Ctrl and V for pasting this new image part of selection. Now I'm going to move this selections image part here. So yeah. Now the third. So the third one I actually don't know. I forgot about this third selection mode. I have to first understand what this selection mode does. So I'm going to deselect this selection. Now the third one seems like I can. Yeah, I have understood this. I have understood this. So first I'm going to perform a selection here, and I don't want this card to be inside my selection. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose this selection mode, and I'm going to subtract the part that I don't want in my selection. You see that this part, the overlapped part, will be subtracted. I think the overlapped part will be subtracted. Yes, so the overlapped part has been subtracted from my selection. So I'm going to copy this selection image part 2 and I'm going to paste this image part here. Control oh man, this layer forward one. I'm going to deselect this selection. Okay, so this is I'm going to delete the layer 5. Is that okay? Okay. I have created layer 5. It has been created automatically. I didn't intentionally created the layer. Okay, now see there are 4 layers. And each of these layers have been created by using one of these selection mode. So this is how you use this rectangular selections mode in Photoshop.